I'm Joe Gillis with Northwest Navigator Luxury Coaches out of Portland, Oregon, and I wanted to come out here and talk about the maintenance interchange at UMA and say that, one, I want to thank UMA for sponsoring and putting it on every year, and I want to thank Kevin Whitworth for actually doing that and leading that group, because it is the most important part of UMA to me. I learned very early on. I was young, I was never young, but I was new to the industry and went in and found that to be one of the most critical things that we did for our company, was coming to UMA and going to the maintenance interchange, because we had a couple of coaches when we started and we had issues we could not figure out. And coming to maintenance interchange, I remember HAP, Holland America, had 10 of the same buses that we had, and so they figured out those issues. I couldn't track it down because I only had one of them, but the amount of experience and the expertise in the industry that's represented at that event is unbelievable. And if you're new to the industry, or even if you've been in it a long time and haven't been at the maintenance interchange, it is worth the price of admission just to go to UMA, to go to the maintenance interchange.